Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is called The Big Picture. It does require some prep on two different levels. So here's what you need to do. You need to think of a sentence that we could turn into a Rebus puzzle. If you don't know what a Rebus puzzle is, stay tuned. You'll understand by the time I'm done explaining the game. But then also, you're going to need to think of 6 tasks to have the students, or the groups of students, individually do to reveal part of the Rebus puzzle. What I like to do is normally we're reading something every week. We're reading the same thing, so I'll prepare 6 comprehension questions about whatever it is we're reading. Additionally, I normally will make maybe 3 or 4 of these, and I'll play them all at the same time. So in our example today, I'm just showing you one real quick one, but also you need to know that in my class, if you were in my class, we would be playing 4 of these all simultaneously. So here's how the game works. The students will choose a letter, and it can be any letter. It doesn't need to go in order A, B, C. Let's say they choose D. Then I'll ask them a comprehension question about something that we've read recently. Preferably, we just read that. Now I'm asking them a question about what we just read. They answer. If there's a problem with their answer, I'll fix it, but I'll still allow them to play, and then I will open or reveal what's behind D. And so what is behind D? It's a picture version of a sentence that I thought they would understand, something that they say often, like, it is time to go home. If I wanted to make a Rebus puzzle out of the sentence, it is time to go home, then it is time to. Here would be the number 2. Understand? But in my example, let's see, it is the number 2, okay? So here I draw it in a big different font so they know, okay, this is, what is that? Well, maybe they can recognize that this is an ugly 2, and they'll say 2. And I'll ask them, do you know that team that just said the answer to D's question? I'll say, do you know what this sentence is? And they can guess. It is time to go home. No, that's not right. They won't know at first, but that could be a guess, and it's not right. It fits what you know, but it's not right. So then another team goes, okay, you didn't get it, but your turn. Okay, here, it's A. I'll ask them the comprehension question about A, and then after they've answered, I'll draw this part of the puzzle. So here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm going to draw, let's use a different color here, 5. And they can see, 5. I don't really understand, teacher. That's okay, no problem. Do you know what the sentence is? Not yet. Okay, team 3, your turn. And they say, I know, May 2. May I take a break? No, that's not right. Wait your turn. Choose a letter. Okay, F. Okay, we go to F, and then I ask them the question. They say the answer. I fix the mistakes, and then they see this picture. And then they say, May to toilet. Oh, I know. May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the toilet? That's right. Good job. Your team, you get a star, or you get a point, or whatever. So again, I'm going to normally play several of these together. What does it really look like? Stay tuned after the break. I'll show you the whole puzzle, and I'll give you some extra examples. But this is how you play the game. You think of a sentence that the students know, or they say often, and then you turn it into a picture version of itself. And that is called a Rebus puzzle. Okay, here are 3 examples of ones that I've played before. The last time I played these, I think, were the 3 that I used. I'll give you a second to think about what it is for yourself, but here, this was in our example, may I go to the bathroom? And then here, let's see. This one says, I can see your underwear. These are all designed to make kids laugh, and it's fun, and it's funny. Here we go. Teacher Carson is handsome. Are you sure? Thanks.